It's your boy Chef Robert right here at Tropicana Fields. Now, Faux Cheesy fans, you've been out there waiting patiently. Well, here's the news. If you don't know, now you know. We are the official grilled cheese of the Tampa Bay Rays and the Tampa Bay Rowdies. So make sure you come out to all the home games. Come see your boy and Faux Cheesy and how we do it. And to get this party started, we gonna do it right, yo. We gonna make sure Faux Cheesy for life.